So hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to create a business card design in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, go on Insert tab, then click on Shapes, then choose this rectangular shape, draw this shape like this, and copy this shape by pressing Ctrl and drag this shape like this, and make this shape a bit smaller like this, and keep it here, and right click on it and click on Edit Points, and again right click and click on add point and delete this point, delete point, and then click on save format and save outline and give this color, and under save outline click on no outline and click this shape, click on save fill, then this color, and under save outline no outline, then go to insert shapes, then rectangular box, and draw this box like this, and go on shape outline no outline, shape fill yellow color, then click on control and drag like this, make it smaller, like this one, and it's a bit here, keep it here, and right click on it and click on edit points, drag this like this, and click on shape fill and click on more fill colors, then go on custom, then make it a bit darker like this and click on OK, then click on send backward again, that's it. Then now click on this one and save fill and more fills color and make it a bit darker, this one, make it more darker, more fills and custom darker. Okay, this one, I think this is nice, and right click on it and click on a text, then write your name here, ARJUN, Arjun Prasad Chaudhary, CHAUDHARY Chaudhary. Select this, go on home, increase the font, I think 14 is good, and click on bold. I think we have to make it more darker. Click on save format, save fill, more fills, and custom a bit more darker. This one will be, this is too much. It feels a bit lighter. This one is good, and make this one more darker. Go here and make it more darker like this. I think this is perfect. Now go on insert, then click on text box, simple text box, clear this and write here MANAGER, manager, and like this, keep it here and go on here and click on no fill, shape outline no outline, then increase its font size home, and here increase the font size, 18 will be good, and bold and italic also, that's good. Click on insert text box, simple text box, clear this and write here your phone number plus 977 982 set 03. Keep it here like this, make it a bit smaller and click on enter, here your Gmail address, Arjun PSD 2020 @gmail.com. Then your website www.legendapc.github.com. Increase itself like this and click on save fill, no fill, and save outline, no outline. And we have to make it smaller, so click on home and this one option and click on lowercase. Click here 2 times, 1 and 2, and click on here black, color will be black. That's it. Now if it here like this and it upper side like this one, and go on insert. You have to go on insert and icons, then search for phone, phone phone. Then select this option, insert, and make it a bit smaller, and position will be here, and keep it here, the icon, and I think it should be, it need to be here. Yeah, more smaller. That's good. Now go on insert, icons, search for mail, mail, mail. Then choose this one, insert, make it smaller, position will be this one, here, make it smaller, like this. Then again go to insert, icons, and search for internet, and click on this and insert, make it smaller, position this one and keep it here. Make it small. It's looking good. Then go on insert, shapes, and this one, shape rectangular, and keep it here like this, where you can keep your photo or logo, and click on here, and this one is good. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video.